Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a baked turkey breast. Our family likes the turkey so much we decided that we didn't want to save it just for Thanksgiving, so we're going to be doing just the turkey breast. The first thing I'm going to do is to salt and pepper it. You guys will see that the way that I do it is a little bit different than the way the instructions for doing the turkey is. It's the way that I've been doing it for years, and our family really likes it, so that's the way I'm going to be showing you guys. When you place it in your pan, you need to place it turkey breast side up. Place 2 cups of water into the bottom of the pan. I use a lid. That's one of the things that I do differently. I have the oven set for 325. And I'm going to let that cook for about 2 hours, and then I'll check the internal temperature on it. And we'll come back. So now we're going to take the turkey out. We're going to check on it. Okay, well, it looks pretty good to me, but you guys, if you want to, like, I brought some butter out. I may brown it a little bit. You can put a little butter on it and brown it just a little bit more to your taste. Basically, that's all there is to it. I may pop that in there and brown it just a little bit. If you like that video, please subscribe and ring that bell so that you can be informed when any other videos become available. And thank you guys for stopping by.